Imagine this scenario. Your manager walks into your office and drops a bombshell. You need to prepare a comprehensive competitive analysis for the board meeting tomorrow morning. You open your laptop, staring at the cursor blinking on a blank document. This is exactly when you realize the AI you choose could make or break your career moment. You might expect ChatGPT-5 to deliver those perfectly polished corporate responses that sound impressive but lack real insight. Meanwhile, Grok-4 promises to pull live market data and analyze it like having an entire consulting team working around the clock. After spending weeks testing both systems in real workplace scenarios, what I discovered completely changed my perspective on which AI deserves your trust and money. Welcome to another deep dive, where we strip away marketing fluff to reveal what these AI systems actually deliver when your reputation is on the line. I understand the frustration of choosing between sticking with familiar ChatGPT, exploring this mysterious Grok alternative, or questioning whether free versions suffice for serious work. By this video's end, you'll have crystal clear guidance on which AI matches your budget, workflow requirements, and professional ambitions. Whether you're a graduate student racing against thesis deadlines, a marketing professional crafting campaign strategies, or an entrepreneur seeking competitive advantages without massive technology investments, I've evaluated what truly impacts your success. Superior writing capabilities, access to current information, transparent analysis without corporate sanitization, and genuine return on investment. The findings will challenge everything you thought you knew about AI selection. But first, smash that subscribe button, because artificial intelligence development moves at breakneck speed. The recommendations I'm sharing today could be completely obsolete by next quarter's earnings season. The fundamental architecture revolution represents our starting point. These systems don't just process information differently, they literally think through problems using entirely distinct approaches. ChatGPT-5 employs what OpenAI describes as unified architecture, featuring an intelligent routing system that seamlessly transitions between rapid response models for simple queries and comprehensive analysis engines for complex challenges. Request basic information and receive instantaneous results. Present doctoral-level theoretical problems and watch it automatically deploy additional computational resources. Grok-4 operates on revolutionary principles entirely. Built upon massive 2.4 trillion parameter mixture of experts architecture, approximately 5 times larger than conventional models, it maintains specialized expert modules for mathematical reasoning, programming solutions, and language comprehension functioning simultaneously. The truly remarkable aspect involves Grok-4 Heavy, literally generating multiple artificial intelligence agents to approach problems collaboratively like graduate research teams, then synthesizing their collective insights. I subjected both systems to challenges ranging from market trend analysis to sophisticated programming problems. The depth differential is extraordinary. ChatGPT-5 provides one exceptionally optimized perspective. Grok-4 Heavy delivers multiple specialist viewpoints engaging in analytical debate. It resembles consulting one brilliant advisor versus accessing an entire think tank's collective wisdom. Real-time information access creates genuine game-changing capabilities. While ChatGPT-5 offers excellent web browsing through Bing integration with reliable source citations, Grok-4 was engineered from inception as real-time intelligence infrastructure. Rather than merely searching existing content, it maintains direct connections to live data streams, continuously monitoring social media sentiment, breaking news developments, and emerging trend patterns. I tested these capabilities during rapidly evolving market situations and breaking news events. ChatGPT-5 delivers thoroughly researched contextual information with proper academic citations, functioning like having a professional journalist provide comprehensive briefings. Grok-4 captures the immediate pulse of current developments, including informal insights from social platforms that traditional media hasn't yet reported. For professionals tracking financial markets, monitoring crisis communications, or staying ahead of industry trends, this isn't merely advantageous, it represents completely different capability categories. The reasoning performance breakthrough reveals truly stunning developments.
Benchmark testing results tell fascinating stories on humanity's most challenging examination, featuring 2,500 doctoral-level questions designed to test absolute AI reasoning limits. Both models performed impressively with crucial distinctions. ChatGPT-5 achieved 24.8% accuracy in standard operation and 42% using advanced reasoning modes. Grok-4 Standard reached 26% accuracy. However, Grok-4 Heavy with multi-agent approaches pushed performance to 44 to 50% accuracy ranges. The genuine revelation emerged from ARC-AGI benchmarking, which evaluates abstract pattern recognition, essentially measuring proximity to general artificial intelligence. Grok-4 Heavy established new records at 16.2% accuracy, nearly doubling previous best performances and surpassing ChatGPT-5 significantly. This transcends improved pattern recognition. It represents fundamentally superior strategic thinking capabilities. I validated these results through complex business simulations and investment analysis scenarios. The insight depth from Grok-4 Heavy's multi-agent methodology exceeds anything I've previously experienced. It resembles having multiple expert consultants collaborating on your challenges rather than depending on single advisors, regardless of their brilliance. If you're finding this analysis valuable, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It directly enables our capacity to conduct this level of testing and research on every major AI release, allowing us to continue providing honest comparisons in this rapidly evolving landscape. Programming and creativity applications reveal where each model truly excels in practical workplace scenarios. For software development, both are absolute powerhouses with different operational philosophies. ChatGPT-5 functions like having a meticulous senior developer producing production-ready code with comprehensive error handling, detailed documentation, and careful explanations. Its deep integration with GitHub Copilot and development environments makes it seamless for professional workflows. Grok-4 Code Edition operates more like a brilliant hackathon collaborator, rapidly generating creative, optimized solutions while sometimes pursuing novel approaches ChatGPT wouldn't consider. During my testing, Grok frequently delivered functional code faster, but ChatGPT solutions proved more complete and maintainable. The choice depends on whether you need rapid prototyping or production-quality implementation.
Creative writing reveals fascinating personality distinctions. ChatGPT-5 produces polished, emotionally engaging content with new style presets, allowing tone adjustments from professional to conversational. It functions like collaborating with skilled editors who maintain brand consistency and appropriateness. Grok-4 brings personality and wit that feels genuinely conversational, understanding internet culture and injecting humor or sarcasm that ChatGPT safety systems typically avoid. I found myself engaging in actual conversations rather than formal question-answer sessions. For creative brainstorming or content requiring edge, Grok's unfiltered approach can be brilliant, though careful guidance is necessary to maintain focus. Multimedia and creative tools create intense competition. OpenAI recently launched Sora, their groundbreaking video generation system creating incredibly realistic footage from text descriptions. We're discussing Hollywood-quality content that would have cost thousands to produce months ago. Combined with ChatGPT-5's DALL-E integration for image generation, OpenAI has constructed complete creative suites. Grok isn't remaining static. xAI just released Grok Imagine, their response to Sora, already generating significant attention. Powered by Aurora image generation technology, Grok Imagine creates both images and 15-second videos with native audio from simple text prompts. Initially restricted to $30 monthly premium subscriptions, xAI made it free for all United States users through their Grok application as direct response to ChatGPT-5's launch. Grok Imagine's unfiltered approach creates interesting dynamics. While DALL-E and Sora maintain strict content policies refusing certain creative requests, Grok Imagine includes controversial modes allowing more permissive content creation. This generates excitement from creators feeling limited by other tools and legitimate concerns about potential misuse. For content creators currently, ChatGPT-5 with Sora integration offers more polished, professional-grade results. However, Grok imagines speed, generating videos under 90 seconds, and willingness to tackle requests other AI tools might block could appeal to different use cases. Plus, free access provides massive accessibility advantages. Integration and ecosystem battles highlight where technology giant backing truly matters. ChatGPT-5 exists everywhere, embedded in Microsoft Office Copilot, Windows 11, GitHub, and over 1,000 plugins. It's literally becoming part of productivity software most professionals use daily. Azure integration enables enterprise deployment with all compliance and security features businesses require. Grok-4 builds its ecosystem centered around Platform X and Elon's other ventures. Tight integration means unparalleled social media analysis capabilities. Musk has hinted at Tesla integration. Imagine AI assistants accessing your vehicle's data or SpaceX telemetry. That's not available yet, but the potential is intriguing. For most users today, ChatGPT's ecosystem integration provides massive practical advantages. You're already using tools it's built into. However, if you're heavily invested in Platform X or excited about Musk's everything at vision, Grok's ecosystem could become extremely valuable. Unfiltered communication advantages reveal fundamental philosophical differences in approaching sensitive topics. ChatGPT-5 maintains extensive safety filters and corporate guidelines. Asking about controversial subjects often produces carefully crafted responses feeling like corporate communications. Grok-4 takes Elon's free speech philosophy seriously, not hiding behind corporate language or refusing engagement with complex topics. You receive thoughtful, nuanced responses rather than sanitized talking points. This requires more thoughtful questioning, but delivers authentic insights where other systems provide press releases. However, this caused real problems initially. Grok originally produced genuinely offensive content when prompted improperly, including anti-Semitic remarks, forcing XAI to quickly adjust guidelines. The current version is much better balanced, but underlying philosophy remains. It treats you like adults, capable of handling complex information. For research or strategic planning requiring unvarnished analysis, this difference becomes crucial. Remember that less filtering demands more responsibility in usage. Speed, pricing, and value realities require practical consideration. ChatGPT-5 offers incredible value with capable free tiers and plus subscriptions at $20 monthly. Pro tiers at $200 become expensive, but provide unlimited access and enhanced reasoning. For most users, $20 tiers hit sweet spots of capability and affordability. Grok-4 requires minimum $30 monthly through Premium Plus subscriptions with no free options. However, you're not just paying for AI access, you're receiving real-time data integration, unfiltered communication, and betting on XAI's aggressive development roadmap. $300 monthly Super Grok Heavy tiers provide the most powerful reasoning systems available, clearly for serious professional use. Yes, ChatGPT-5 responds faster on simple queries, but Grok-4 trades speed for depth. When ChatGPT provides quick answers, Grok considers multiple angles, checks current data, and runs deeper analysis. That massive 256,000 token context window means maintaining perfect conversation continuity through complex research projects. For speed-sensitive everyday tasks, ChatGPT wins. For complex analysis where depth matters more than speed, Grok's thoroughness pays dividends. After intensive testing across every major category, here's the truth. These aren't really competing products. They're designed for fundamentally different philosophies and use cases. ChatGPT-5 represents the reliable professional. It excels at everyday productivity, creative projects, and integrated workflows. Polish, safety guardrails, and ecosystem integration make it ideal for business use, content creation, and general-purpose AI assistance. It's the model that simply works in most scenarios with minimal risk. Grok-4 operates in entirely different categories. It's designed for users needing cutting-edge reasoning, real-time information access, and authentic dialogue without corporate filtering. Benchmark results reflect genuine advances in AI reasoning, translating into practical advantages for complex analytical tasks. The integration of real-time data, multi-agent reasoning, and unfiltered communication create AI experiences feeling less like using tools and more like consulting incredibly knowledgeable experts with unlimited computational power and no agendas. Final recommendations depend on your specific needs. For creative professionals and general users, ChatGPT-5's polish, integration, and lower costs make it better choices currently. Monitor Grok's upcoming multimodal features developing rapidly. For researchers, analysts, and professionals needing cutting-edge reasoning, Grok-4's real-time capabilities and advanced reasoning justify higher costs. Performance advantages on complex tasks are genuinely significant. For businesses, consider specific needs carefully. ChatGPT-5 for integrated productivity and content creation, Grok-4 for strategic analysis and competitive intelligence. Budget-conscious users will find ChatGPT-5's free tiers and lower pricing remain major advantages. In many cases, having both could be ideal. Using ChatGPT-5 for daily productivity and Grok-4 for complex analytical projects. The AI landscape evolves incredibly rapidly. What we're witnessing with both ChatGPT-5 and Grok-4 represents major leaps forward in different directions. This competition drives innovation benefiting everyone. If this comprehensive comparison helped you understand real differences between these systems, share in the comments which aspects you found most valuable. Are you leaning toward ChatGPT-5's reliability or Grok-4's cutting-edge capabilities? Don't forget subscribing and hitting notification bells for ongoing AI coverage. Current updates alone could reshape this entire comparison. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.